Plus power bank, which was ordered from OnePlus store. So the MRP is 1299, but I got it in an offer for 479 rupees only. Let's do the unboxing. So quite a different packaging from all other websites, and once you open it, it cannot be sealed back again. So this is supposed to be the bill invoice, and this is the power bank. 18 watts fast charge, dual USB output, 2-in-1 charging cable, low current mode for your OnePlus band or MI band, 12-layer safety protection. So as I mentioned, the MRP is 1299, made in China, October 2020. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. A unique unboxing experience. Wow. So as you lift this up, power bank will come up. Okay. Wow. Nice carbon fiber finish. Initials never settle. 2 USB and 1 type C, no micro USB. Okay, nice feel, nice grip in the hand. I think if you compare to the MI power bank, let's compare this with MI power bank. Size is almost the same, thickness almost the same. Okay, but this is made up of metal, made up of plastic. Okay, it's supposed to be the instruction manual. Red Cable Club card. Oh wow, wonderful. So this is a 2-in-1 cable provided by OnePlus. I think this is a micro USB and this is a type C USB, type C and a micro USB. Can you see this? Yeah, I like this. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching.